Welcome to the Megan the Stallion Body Yaddy program. Before we start your workout, we're going to get your body loose, hips open, and muscles ready with this full mobility stretch. Perfect for injury prevention, flexibility, and smooth, strong movement. Or after training to cool down and recover. If you're feeling extra tight, you can even do it both before and after to keep your body moving smooth and strong. Now let's get to stretching. Next up, arm circles.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Circle your arms forward and back. Great for warming up shoulders.
In 3, 2, 1. Switch directions.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Draw big circles with your hips. Loosens tight hip joints.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Rotate your chest open from a wide stance. Improves spine mobility.
In 3, 2, 1. Switch sides.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Step into high lunge, sink your hips, and open your chest. Stretches hip flexors and warms up legs.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise. Cheeky bugger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Rock forward and back in a half split stance. Strengthens hip flexors and quads.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Twist under your arm, targets spine rotation and hip release.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Black hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man. In the mall with him, I'ma have a ball with him. Somebody call Rihanna, I'ma buy some draws with him. He fucking with the stallion cause he in the wild women. With them pegs on his head, now he loves
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Spanish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Spanish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, book and your man probably read it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
I'ma make them eat me out while I'm watching anime. Pussy like a wild fox, looking for a soft skate. One night with them, make them lose it like a prom date. 2 watches, yeah, call me 2 tonic. Skin like gold and my teeth like diamonds. Hot girl chain in the hit, got me shining. They tried to knock me off, but a bitch still grinding. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Spinach ain't tongue on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, mad.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Get in kneeling lunge. Reach overhead to the side. Deep stretch for hip flexors and obliques.
Yes, I got a man. If I don't like who asking, I don't stand outside, cause I'm too outstanding. Cause the girls in the hood are always hard. Ever since 16, I've been having a job. Knowing nothing in life, but I gotta get rich. You can check the throwback pics, I've been that bitch. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Spinach ain't tongue.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
They wanna hurt me.
2, 1. Start your exercise.
On my outfit, I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, mad, they wanna hurt me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Grab ankles, bend, and straighten legs. Loosens hamstrings and low back.
Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When you look at hit, then the get toxic. I've been lit since brunch. Order 42 for the turbulence pop. Missionary or doggy style on my top.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Stretch hamstring, then move your leg to the side. Hits hamstrings and inner thigh.
In 3, 2, 1. Move your leg to the side.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
If you're enjoying this stretch, drop a stallion emoji in the comments to let me know you're following along with this routine. It really helps boost the algorithm and support the channel. Thanks.
In 3, 2, 1. Move your leg to the side.
Call me a snake, shit, I guess I can relate, cause a bit a whole lot of venom. And since these hoes are rats when they come
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Switch knees side to side. Builds hip rotation and mobility.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Hold position and lean forward. Deep stretch for glutes and hips.
They ride whole time trying to pass me, watching me go through it, still trying to drag me, acting like you winning if you think about it. Actually, are they supporting you or really just attacking me? I don't give a about a bro trying to bash me. I'm the girl the recording academy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Hands on my knees, bringing out the love, bottle on my thigh. Everything I eat goes straight to my pockets. 2021, finna graduate college. Shop first, I'm a real hot topic. Don't make them sing on some pop. I need a
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Start your exercise.
Step 1 foot forward at a time, alternating legs. Stretches calves and hip flexors while moving your body.
And none of these hoes finna see me at the bank. And I'ma keep talking all the that I want. Not down when these hoes come tell me I can't. We ain't even speaking if the ain't spinning. He could never say that I was one of his women. I don't even let know I stay. And be damned if you think he popping up on this pimp. Hands on my knees shaking from my thigh. Hands on my knees shaking from my thigh. Hands on my knees shaking from my thigh. Hands on my knees. Hands on my knees. Hands on my knees shaking from my thigh. Hands on my knees shaking from my thigh. Hands on my knees shaking from my thigh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Start your exercise.
Now to end this mobility stretch routine, sit back on your heels, reach arms forward and relax your back and shoulders for a full body stretch.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Great job, that's the full Megan the Stallion mobility stretch. Now you're ready to crush your workout or recover like a queen if you just finished training. See you in the next session.